What's up, everybody? John Stevens here with Leverage Your Income Success Club, and I wanted to make a really quick, somewhat quick video to show you guys some free quick start training on how to get started with Myecon. All right, so we've got our earnings and income disclaimer. Any earnings or income statements or earnings or income examples are only examples and illustrations. Past performance does not guarantee you the same results in the future. Read all terms and conditions at Leverage Your Income. So who are we? Let me scoot myself over. Founded January 1st by Keith L. Jones, aka the coach. That was in 2017. We formed the Inner Circle in July of this year, 2018. We are a group of like-minded entrepreneurs with the same goal, helping others to achieve success through innovative marketing, financial education, business growth, free trainings, and calls. And this is a culture that you want to be a part of. So starting out, who are you? You know, what's your why? Create your personal mission statement, your goals for life, and your business, and your mindset. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys an example on the next page. So who is me? Who's John Stevens? I'm a 29-year-old entrepreneur and real estate broker in Western North Carolina. You know, my levels, my basis of how I live life is, you know, God, family, people, and then business. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So my mission statement would come out to be, I want to create a better life for my family through faith by helping people succeed in their business. Okay, so I want to be fully financially free by 40. A realistic goal, you know, 11 more years. I've been doing this for 6. I want to spend more time with my family, which I am. Being jobless by choice has given plenty of time to do that. You know, create even a more thriving online business with multiple seven-figure incomes. And here's how. All right, I know that building a business can be hard, and at times, it can be hard at times, but I will continue to improve my techniques and set examples for others to succeed. All right, what is Myecon? All right, this is what we're talking about. You know, you've got your W-4 correction, you know, get your taxes taken out the right way. Please do that. We've got income shifting opportunities, smart credit repair, the cashback mall, a full home business if you want it, and so much more. Guys, girls, if you know you are looking for something to do from home that does not require you to recruit a soul to make more money, you have come to the right place. All right, so here's your step-by-step plan to leverage your income starting right now. Okay, so step 1, sign up, create your profile, Myecon Quick Start Training. If you're not in Myecon yet, the link is below. It takes you just a couple of minutes to get set up. $47 one time, $35 a month, and you will be making more than that just by doing the very first step. Okay, step 2, correct your tax withholding, your W-4. So there is your first income from the job. It's not going to affect the job that you're at, but it's going to affect the amount of money that you ultimately bring home, which will allow you to really, you know, build up, be able to pay off your bills, be able to actually go through the process, which is using the apps, the free apps that they give you, plus it's online. You got the smart credit system, which is extremely powerful. It's brought up my personal score almost 100 points just by identifying and deleting things I didn't even know I had on my credit. Some things I did know that I had, and they were deleted as well. We have, again, the Cashback Mall and the Myecon Business Training Center. Okay, so now we start training camp, step 4. That's our signature training camp that we do to ensure that everybody is successful. And then once you have completed training camp, we take you into the championship lead generation playbook, okay? Plus, we have a free team bonus. So that'll be at the very end of this, so stick around. I'm going to try to make it quick, okay? Grab some water. So let's break it down. All right. Step one, sign up for Myecon, do the quick start training. This is the draft. So get with the person who sent you to here for the sign up link, or find my link below in the description. Click join now, follow the instructions to complete sign up, check your email for the confirmation, log in and complete your profile. Click on the BMC Home tab, then the quick start orientation. All right, step two, educate yourself to start making income today. Okay, more income. So in your Business Marketing Center homepage, scroll to the bottom and click on Smart Credit System. Scroll to the bottom again and click on the income shifting. It's going to look like that. Follow the instructions, go through the videos. It will walk you through step by step. I'll also give you a new W-4 to print out and fill out. Take it to your human resources department or manager immediately. And then you can relax just a little bit. You've officially completed the first step and will be bringing home more money than you were before you started this. So now that you have increased your paycheck, let's talk about launching an online business, okay? You're not losing money here, you're bringing in more money, and it's not going to affect your current business, your current job. Here is some proof from our team of people who are bringing home more money every paycheck and the estimates thereof. You know, we've got somebody over here bringing home almost $150 more a pay period, 100, 125 more a pay period, another roughly probably another $200 a week right here. So this is huge, guys. It's completely legal. It's the stuff that Uncle Sam doesn't want us to know about. And I'll get into the details on that on another webinar. But guys, this income shift is powerful. All right, quick recap. So remember, who are you? You need to identify that first. What's the opportunity? Okay, which is Myecon. You got to join Myecon, get your profile set up, go through the quick start training, correct your tax withholding. You're now income shifted so you can relax. Okay, step three, the products that drive your why, and this is the weight room, okay? This is a crucial step in the process. If you have to know the product so you can tell your customers what you like about them and what they've done for you. Okay, so first we've got the Cash Flow Manager app. You can organize your business, scan receipts, view your reports, and it also has a GPS mileage tracker. There's so much you can do for this, and this is all from your phone. Okay, Cash Flow Strategist is next. So this is your financial education on the go. So you actually plug in what your freedom goals are, and it's going to give you a breakdown of what you should type in, and it's going to start giving you solutions. How much more business income do you want to make every month? How much are you bringing in now that you've corrected your taxes and withholding? Once you get through, it is going to cash flow you automatically based off of what you put in all the way to the exact year that you have achieved financial freedom. So it's telling me based off of what I put in here that by the year 2037, my house will be paid off, my car will be paid off, I'll have no debt, I'll be bringing in $6,000 a month in income, and that was using very low numbers, okay? So this is a powerful concept to really get your mindset right into what you need to do to grow. All right, then you've got the app, the Myecon app in general. You have full access to presentations, documents, training, the store. Sign your people up in person that are ready to change their life. Okay, we've got podcasts, we've got, you can check on your business. The live meetings are in here, and those are powerful. Your contact manager and your income shifting manager membership is all accessible from your phone. My favorite, the Smart Credit System. It's the all-in-one solution to credit repair and monitoring, packed with 10 powerful, powerful training modules. How to get and read your credit reports, how to dispute negative items on those reports, how to delete negative payment history forever, plus just so much more. It's worth every penny, I assure you. Okay, and then the cashback mall is another bonus for this thing. You get cashback and discounts from these major retailers like Walmart, GoDaddy, travel sites. business expenses, gifts, and more. It's really almost endless in here. Your cell phone, whatever it is, you can actually make money back on that. You can see Walmart right here, and they change that cash back often. All right, so then we also want you to go through the Myecon Business Center training. We've got the training videos, more podcasts, the live trainings, and the comprehensive training program in there as well if you really, really want to dig deep into that. Okay, now let's go to step 4. This is Signature Training Camp. This is getting me fired up. All right, and this starts right now. Okay, so the Signature Training Camp includes a packed out new associate training website. Okay, how to generate free traffic online from your phone, from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. We show you how to do that. Okay, private team chat room, getting your domain and setting it up. And of course, okay, increase your sales by just promoting our team webinars. Okay, that's all you got to do. Send them to webinars. We will handle the legwork for you. Okay, step-by-step formula to create your own webinar. Free duplicatable scripts. To promote income shifting, promoting credit repair, promoting the opportunity. Guys, we got everything for you. We'll show you how to create your own Facebook fan page, how to create and run ads on Facebook, and so much more. Okay, if you want to be a leader, if you really want to make an impact in the industry and change your life, you've come to the right place. All right, step 5, the road to financial freedom. But first, make sure you join the movement. Okay, in the link below, I will have the link to go directly to our Leverage Your Income Facebook group. Request to be put in the group. I will make sure I personally get you in the group, and you can really start seeing what we're about and what we offer to people. Okay, add us as well. We got Keith in here. Keith is the founder, like I said. Make sure you add Keith here. Subscribe to him as well. Or, like I said, the links are below. I'll have a link to mine below as well. Okay, now let's get ready to launch your business. Okay, this is our championship lead generating playbook. All right, so this includes a power lead system. Guys, this is where we have these sales funnels that are built for you. All you have to do is put in a share code and your information, and it's easy. In 5 minutes, you are generating leads. Okay. We'll give you the traffic sources, the email campaigns, ad boosters. Okay, check out, we've got 18 current sales funnels right now. Okay, like I said, we give you our secret share codes where you can access this page instantly. You can choose, which lead pages you want to start off with. You can even create your own. We recommend just going with something we built enough to kind of cover everything that will run you through the system. Okay, we're always adding new pages, and we have step-by-step video training to show you how to get set up. Okay, here's some sample lead capture pages, right? So we got the average dad. This is something that I created because I am an average dad that is making money from home. Okay, and you can use the same exact one in your business. Okay, and then we have one for credit over here. This is the first part of it that Keith made. The sales copy on this is awesome. This converts for daily. Both of these convert daily for me into new traffic, new leads, and new business partners. Okay, and then here's an idea of what's inside. Once you get past the lead capture pages, right? We've got a team page. You've got some leadership in here. You can even, have your own personal things in here. Okay, but we have it set up for you to get started. You don't have to make any changes. Whenever they click on these links, like get started now, it's going to take them to your site to sign up, so you get the credit for that new partner. When they click continue, they can run through a lot of products, a lot of just sales tools to help you. Okay. With this webinar, and I will also post a link for 7 free days of Power Lead System if you join with this code below. Okay. visit the link below or get back with the person. If somebody else sent you to this webinar, don't click my link, talk to them. They can get you 7 days free as well to try out this powerful sales funnel. All right, and for a limited time only, okay, it's the 26th. We only have a couple days left, and we've already signed up 15 or 16 people for this in the past 2 days. But this is our free EVP Bootcamp. Okay, we are literally going to show you exactly how you're going to become EVP, which is the first rank. You just need 2 business partners, and then we'll show you to get to gold and beyond. And we're going to set you up in a way you're going to have to do some work. It's boot camp, right? It's not just like we're going to do it all for you, but this is something that we actually charge a pretty decent amount of money for, and we've decided to give it away free to people in Myecon, to our partners, to our team members, because we sincerely do want everyone to succeed. Okay. And my full, in my mission statement, you see what I'm about, and I'm all about helping others. So there's only a few spots remaining. If you're seeing this, if you've actually made it this far in this webinar, you are probably going to be a prime candidate for this. I will have a link below, and it will only be there until we are gone, but it's a 10-question survey to see whether you qualify for this boot camp. Okay, so last slide coming up, and this is your free bonus as being part of Team Leverage Your Income. Okay, it is a book that I personally wrote, and you can also get it for free. You don't even have to be a part of our group, but I wrote it for everybody in the world to see. Okay, it's a free ebook. You download it in seconds. Link's going to be below. It's going to tell you step by step how to fix your credit. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to wrap this up. I hope that you made it this far. I hope that you're getting your free ebook, and I hope that you reach out and seize this opportunity to be able to become better, and whatever your goals are, that we can help you meet and achieve those. So again, my name is John Stevens. It's been a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.